Ito guys, may ayusin tayong 5 auto guys. Yan guys, so yung saksakan guys. Palitan natin yan guys, yung saksakan guys. Kasi yung saksakan niya guys, na nayupi na. Guys, check natin guys kung okay pa yung saksakan guys. Yan guys, check ko yan guys kung okay yung saksakan. Yan guys, not working guys. Not working yung guys. Palitan natin ng guys, ng saksakan guys na bago guys. Yan guys, yan pinalitan ko na guys. Yan, bago na yan guys. Yan guys, nanggal ko mga connection guys para check natin guys yung guys, yung amplifier pala to guys. May humming guys, may power, may humming, walang sound. Yan guys, muugong guys yung amplifier na to guys. Yan guys, so yung mga hinang guys, panghinangin natin guys. Tapos linisan mo natin guys para matanggal yung makita yung mga siraan dyan guys. Yan guys, pinipisil-pisil ko dyan guys. Yan guys, para makita yung mga paa yan guys kung nakakonektaran guys. Kasi iba yung mga paa nyan, putol na yan guys dahil sa kalawang. Pero iba man, okay naman. Yan, pinipisil-pisil ko yan guys. Oh, ayan, yan, paulit-ulit yan guys, baka wala ng paa yung kabila guys. Yan guys, yan, may nakita na ako dyan guys. Check ko yan guys. Yan guys, pinipisil-pisil ko guys yung mga resistor yan guys, mga driver transistor guys. Tingnan ko yan guys. Inisan mo na guys yung sa para walang grounded guys. Yung amplifier pala to guys, 5 auto guys with USB. Ayan, yan, pinatanggal ko mga carbon guys, yung namumuo mga carbon niya guys, kasi grounded yan guys. Pag yan guys, oh, parang nag-asin-asin yan guys. Yan oh, yan, natanggal ko yan guys. Check ko yan guys yung mga resistor guys. Yan, kung okay pa ba, okay pa rin guys. Yan, mga output transistor guys, wala ring leak, wala ring open. Yan guys, okay rin. Gamit ako ng buzzer guys. Yan guys, nakita ko guys, may lar capacitor guys. Yan, tanggal ko dalawa yan guys, yung katabi ng capacitor na 1000 UF guys. Nakita ko dyan guys, tanggal ko yan guys. Mga putol na yan guys. Yan, yan guys, oh, yan, yan, nagkukos ng guys, ugong guys, amplifier guys. Yan, nanggal ko yan guys, tapos pinalitan ko ng bago guys. Yan, tinitis ko guys yung kabilang channel lang guys, mahina kasi, mahina yung kabilang channel guys, kaya pinalitan ko ulit ng isa. Yan guys, kasi yung lost contact yan guys, oh, maraming kalawang guys, dapat okay. Oh, yan guys, okay na yan guys. Thanks for watching guys. Audio source, lang yun. Okay, okay.